Our second day started with hiking part of the Juan De Fuca Trails. Our destination was Sombrio Beach to check out the Shoreline caves and the infamous Hidden Waterfall. To get there, we had to cross a long graded suspension bridge. I carried Qweens to spare her paws. Might want to bring rock shoes for the pups. It was pretty muddy this time of year, and slippery. But we pushed through and made it to the coast. Sombrio Beach is a rock beach, so getting Qweens in the water shouldn't be a problem. Or maybe just a walk along the shore instead. Playing in the waves was fun, but they can sneak up on you. So if you have any pets, it's best to always be careful, especially around this area. This is when I noticed Qweens limping a little bit. Her paws were raw from trekking the rock beach. I would recommend bringing rock shoes for your pup. We took a break to rest up, then followed a small creek up a hidden path tucked between two rocks to where the Hidden Waterfall resides. The path was wet and slippery. My shoes went from muddy to drenched. Next time, water shoes for me too. And then we made the journey back to the car. We upgraded from a wet night of camping to a room and bed where we could dry our shoes and towels and recharge with a warm sleep. Today was a big adventure, and there's more to be had tomorrow. So for now, good night and sweet dreams. Later days.